Let's perform a quick unboxing of Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside the box, what accessories do we get. So let's get right into it. Let's open the box. There we go. And immediately we have this paper box that is quite thick. I'm gonna open it just in a second. Over here we have the phone. I'm gonna unpack the phone just in a second, but for now we're gonna take care of this paper box. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside. So let's open it. Let me actually move this aside as well. And immediately, as you can see, we have the USB cable. That's pretty standard, but in addition to that, we also have a case. There we go. So here is everything that we get inside the box besides the phone, of course. So we have the USB cable. It is USB-C on both ends. Of course, a bunch of papers. There we go. We have the eject tool for the SIM tray. And a case. A simple case. Let's see if I can actually take it out pretty easily. And there we go. This is how the case looks like. It is not even a case, it is like actually like half a case, as you can see. So quite unusual. We can also spot some dots. A pretty new design actually. I didn't see it on anything else. Usually those plastic cases that you get with the phone, they are pretty plain or transparent. This one looks a little bit different, and I think it matches the color of my phone, so pretty cool. And here is our phone. This is how it looks like on the back. So yeah, the case that we have at the back is actually matching. We have 3 cameras in total and the flashlight at the back. This is how it looks like on the left side. On the right side, we have volume buttons and the power button. Over here, we have at the bottom the SIM tray, the microphone, the USB-C port, and speakers. And at the top, we have the information that we have in Dolby Atmos, and I assume this is the microphone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!